put it basic though. He doesn't want to leave our area. We don't feed him. His Mother Nature on it provides him now.
He's so sweet. He's only been here 3 days.
Well, that we've noticed him up here.
Yeah, he's so like docile and
Yes, and
walking
his
all
bites
over
don't
you.
hurt.
That's unusual. I mean,
And we think that if he's hanging out here, because in that container, there's dog food.
oh.
So we think that's why. A while ago, he thought my earrings were worms.
He's awfully friendly. I wonder if he was somebody's pet or something.
Since
Fun.
nobody was treating here, we probably just
Just so funny. So funny to see a bird so tame. I mean, that he just was comfortable walking on you and.
I talked to our naturalist, and I said, why is he like that? He goes, because he's still so innocent. He hasn't been harmed by
Oh.
or threatened by anyone.
Well, that's kind of sweet.
Yeah, so
Yeah. Oh, that's sweet. He's just so cute.
so he's very comfortable around us because nobody's been mean to him. I didn't know they gave him food.
He must think he's in like a bird paradise.
He loves.
Really?
yeah.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh my goodness. What a cutie.
Oh, that's a tag. Still hungry. You're still hungry? Vegetables?
Oh, yeah, it's just a lettuce.
Mary?
So cute. You'll have to come up with a name for him and he could be the mascot.
Before we knew it was a male, a young man was him. So what's his name? I said, I don't know. And I said, let's give it a name that's for both male and female.
Yeah.
Gender neutral. He gave it the name.
Well, that's cute. Okay. Great. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Hi, Pat. Hi, Pat. Oh, he is so cute. Hi. Oh, sweetie. If I put my hand out, you think he'll come?
I don't know.
Hi. He's going to eat my ring. He's a pickpocket bird.
It doesn't hurt when he gets on.
Okay. Hi. 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 Oh, he's gentle. Oh, he's so sweet. Nellie, take a video of that bird on the line. Oh, hi, Pat. What a sweetheart you are. Hi. It is so nice to see you. Oh, that's sweet. Thank you. He's so sweet. Oh my gosh, that was so cool. What a cute bird. That was amazing.